Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll try to analyze the Nifty and Bank Nifty for the coming week. Let's see like how my views are like. I'll try to give my views on the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So based on that, it's not like these views are final as such, but it's just my views. So the views may be differ from person to person. But here I'm just trying to explain why I have taken those views and all. So let's go into the video. First of all, whenever you are analyzing any chart, not only Nifty or Bank Nifty for that matter, so you have to come from a monthly chart. Like it's like a top-down approach. So you get more clarity on the higher time frame. So obviously, then you have to get start from the monthly chart. So if I just start from the monthly charts, I will try to draw the support and resistance on the monthly chart. So you could see I'll try to draw a line where the last two swings were happened in the monthly chart. Okay, this I'll just consider it as my trend line for the purpose of support on monthly chart. Okay, and for resistance I try to draw a line from here. You could see this I just consider as a resistant line for Bank Nifty on monthly chart. So don't be so rude towards your trend lines. Just be flexible. Try to mark as many points as you can. Uh, Try to touch them, because that's how it works. Because it's not like any rocket science lab where you have to touch this particular shadow or wick, or where you have to touch this board. It's not like that, because it's all like psychology and how the humans has reacted at this particular price level. So based on that, we are just trying to draw trend lines or support or resistance, I can say. So these are the two lines which I just want to draw on the monthly time frame. From here onwards, I just need to drop down myself to the other time frame, like which is weekly, the next lower time frame. So here you could see the stock, the Bank Nifty. In another perspective, you could see you can draw one more support here, okay, and one more resistance here. You could see it's a double top actually. Double top is kind of a chart pattern where it indicates a bearishness in the market, and not at this particular point. At this level it is a bearishness, and right now it was at the support level. Okay, and on weekly chart, can we draw some more? Let's see. Okay, so I'll just try to draw one more trend line based on these two swings. Okay, so if you see right now, the market is somewhere taking support at these two swings. Okay, and these are like intermittent swings, so I won't consider these as a swings. These are like accumulation. You can just do one more thing here, like you can just extend your support line till here, right? So this point is also covered. So that's why, as and when you look at number of charts, you will come to know like how to draw support and resistance. So these are my support and resistance on weekly time frame. Let's drop down into daily time frame, which is the next lower time frame than weekly. So based on this time frame, we'll try to come to some conclusion for views. At least you could see this is the level where I could see strongest resistance, and support wise I'm fine with the support which I have drawn on the weekly chart. So Bank Nifty, how I want to see as a Bank Nifty in the coming week, at least I would see this particular range from 43,800 till 44,800. I would say like I'll be looking for sideways. There'll be no much movement between these particular range. Once it breaks 43,800 or 43,500, I can say on larger time frame. So once it breaks that, then you could see some huge movement downside. Like then you have to add more nuggets for that. Like if you see this trend line is one more nugget, like if it breaks down here and if it breaks down here, it will be more bearish. and you can look for bullishness above 44,800 on daily time frame. Like you can see the double top which I have told for you, like it is a kind of double top. Okay, this is the first top and this is the second top, and you could see the bearish candle. This is where you have to trade the trade, like you can keep stop loss here. And this is an entirely different subject. Let's come back onto the Nifty and Bank Nifty views only. Okay, so this is of the Bank Nifty I'm looking for the next week, 43,800, or else I can say on a broad view 43,500 to 44,800. I'll be sideways, and any level breached I'll be bearish or bullish depending upon the side on which it breaches. So that's my view on Bank Nifty. Let's go to the Nifty. Okay, so I already has drawn the levels like which I have explained right now in the Bank Nifty. I have already drawn these levels on monthly chart. Let's go to the monthly chart. It will be clumsy now because I've drawn these levels on all time frames. So you could see these two trend lines I've drawn based on the monthly chart. Okay, and then I just drop down to the weekly chart. I've drawn these two support and resistance. Okay, and if I just go drop down to the daily charts, so this is one particular area where there's more support. And previously, if you remember, I have told like 19,800 as my upper limit for the sideways, but actually what happened, you could see this is the reason why I have mentioned like this particular big red candle is the reason why I have told 19,800. So you could see the market has corrected drastically from 19,750, but I keep 50 points as a buffer. But still this week the level of 19,800 has breached, but there was no decisive candle like which helped me to be on the bullish side. So thereafter immediately a bear candle, and then a huge gap down yesterday, like which is Friday. Huge gap down happened, but however the markets has recovered quite good enough yesterday. Still on the Nifty, my levels I just want to extend on the upper side from 19,800 to 19,850 now. So I'll be looking sideways from 19,500 till 19,850. And once the level breaches, so I'll be taking a bullish or bearish view depending upon the side which it reaches. And also it depends upon the candlestick pattern, like what candle forms there and all. So there were so many ifs and buts. These levels are like, or right now on the particular day, like where I'm making the video, the levels are for only that particular day or for the next couple of days. So depending upon the candlestick formation at the bullish point or bearish point, so we'll change our views. Like if the bullish candle is not so big, or else if it is not so convincing, then still we will stay sideways. Same with the bearish side as well. Okay, don't get into that view like just because 19,850 has breached or else 19,500 has breached, I'll become bullish or bearish. It all depends upon what candlestick forms there, and we'll also see other market factors. So based on that, we'll take our views. Okay, so with that note, Nifty, I would say like 19,500 to 19,850, I'll be sideways, and above that, bullish, below that, bearish. Whereas the Bank Nifty 43,500 to 44,800 is a sideways, and above that, bullish, and below that, bearish. So these are my views on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So guys, if you like this video, if you like my analysis, please do hit a like button, and also subscribe to our channel for more and more analysis like this. So thank you so much. Jai Hind.